5 things to inspect if your BMW is making a squeaking noise. Most of the noises your BMW makes are completely normal. However, if it is making a loud squeaking noise, it might not be for nothing. The emergence of such a noise could indicate one of the following problems. Here's why your BMW may be squeaking. Reason number 1, problem with the timing chain. We all know how important a timing chain is for the overall functionality of a car. After all, this is the part that controls the engine's timing. The engine will squeak if it becomes damaged. Reason number 2, excessively worn brake pads. Yup. Overworn brake pads can result in the emergence of a squeaking noise, especially in the event of a heavy braking situation. Worn out brake pads, if not replaced in time, can cause damage to the rotors. Reason number 3, serpentine belt is slipping. Water pump, AC compressor, and other car parts are powered by the serpentine belt. If it is slipping due to a stuck pulley, a loud squeaking noise will emerge. Reason number 4, defective alternator. Don't be surprised. The alternator, if goes bad, will create a strange squeaking noise. You have to replace it before things go south. Reason number 5, suspension isn't fit enough. Is your BMW making a squeaking noise every time you ride over a pothole? If so, you are likely dealing with a malfunctioning suspension system. To put it in a nutshell, a squeaky noise can come out of a car due to any number of reasons. Most obvious ones are listed above.